YouTube? It's your boy Boss Kicks, and I'm back with another video. This time I got another Funko pickup. This is a WWE shop pickup. I already opened the box. I haven't looked at it. Y'all. But I opened the box so I could just save some time. Thing about this one is this is the second time I ordered it. First time I ordered it from Macari. It was $10. But it was a great deal. $10, no shipping, just $1 and some change for tax. But I didn't look at the pictures thoroughly, and when I got it in, I noticed that his forehead has a chunk of paint missing from, and I went to pop to display it out of box, and I wasn't gonna display it out of box like that personally. So I went into the WWE shop and got it. It cost me more, unfortunately. It wasn't no $11 and some change. It was more like $20 something. But like I said, I wanted to display it out of box, and I don't want to display it with paint missing off of it. So I went to the WWE shop and they had it, and I ordered it, and it came in today. Like I said, I already opened it just to save some time. Gave me some nice packaging. Let me get it out of here. You probably saw it. So, like I said, it came in nicely bubble wrapped. Get that bubble wrap out of there. Let me take a look at it before y'all. I know how I do. Box is okay. The sticker is a little bit over on top of the art, the half head. You'll see in a second. Let me just inspect it myself. Alright, so we have none other than the great one, the people's champ, Mr.EyeBrow Razor, The Rock himself. We got the SmackDown Live 20th Anniversary Edition. This is the gold one. This one, I wanted to chase, but that one is a little too much money right now. So this one is cool. This one is a good replacement. I feel it's not the chase, but it's a gold pop. It stands out. It's it's pretty self-explanatory. So we got SmackDown Live 20th Anniversary. We got the half head, The Rock. We got Pop WWE SmackDown Live number 46. And let me do that again, because that was all upside down. So we got Pop WWE SmackDown Live 20th Anniversary number 46, half head, The Rock going across, SmackDown Live 20th Anniversary sticker. And as I can see, the sticker is like a little bit over on his ear. It should have been pushed in a little bit more towards this side, but it's cool. I ain't worrying about it. I'm most likely gonna be tossing this box anyway, so it doesn't make a difference. We got the art side, Pop WWE, The Rock number 46. We got the back right there, and it reads, "The word SmackDown was coined by The Rock, who promised to lay the SmackDown on all his foes in 1999. SmackDown became a show which saw the Great One back up his promise each and every week." The Great One. They don't call him the People's Champ for nothing. Got the bottom, all the information. Like I said, this one I'm gonna be displaying it out of box. So, without further ado, let's take them out of box. And I don't know the proper way that you guys open these boxes. I tried it, but with careful, with careness and being careful. Okay, get them out of here. Get right there. Don't fall. They go right here. They go right there. Got the glasses. There you go. You got the glasses, the chain, the shirt opened up, his belt, his pants, his boots. They look like cowboy boots. And yep, this one is not missing. The one that I got from Macari, he got like a chunk of paint missing, like right dead center of his forehead. So I wasn't gonna display him like that. And like I said, I want to get all 3 of my favorite superstars. And like I said, I'm 2/3 of the way. And I have John Cena. I got John Cena. He's over there, out of camera, out of frame, over there. I have John Cena. I now have Rock, and I want to get Stone Cold. Those are my top 3 of all time. And not in that order, but he goes first, John Cena goes second, and Stone Cold goes third. But it always changes for me. It always changes. Sometimes I put him in first. Sometimes I put Stone Cold in first. It changes for me. But those are my 3. Nonetheless, those are my 3 of all time: Stone Cold, Rock, and John Cena. And I have other WWE pops. I have The Fiend sitting over there on my dresser, and I also have Becky Lynch, the man, aka now the mom. So yeah, like I said, this one I'm gonna be displaying him out of box. So we're gonna put him there. I'm gonna take some pictures. I might take a picture and use that as my thumbnail. We'll see. But yeah, I have another. I'll talk to her about. I put this away. I have another pop on the way tomorrow. This is a grail, pretty much. My first ever StockX purchase. Yes, you can buy pops off StockX. So I got a pop off StockX, and it'll be here tomorrow. Y'all see. It's a big one. It's a big one. It's like I said, it's a grab for me. So when that comes in tomorrow, I'll do the video. I'll take some pics. What the hell, yo? What the hell going on here, man? Don't forget that. But yeah, when that comes in tomorrow, I'll take some pics. I'll do the video. Like I said. Until the next time, make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all think about the pop, and let me know what y'all think about my new setup. Just give you a quick look at my setup. I got that shelf from IKEA. It's called the Lack Shelf. I'll put a link to the description to it if anybody wants it. Yeah, until next time, I'll see y'all. Peace.